In this video, we're going to show you how you can use the filter option in a bomb's departure control system. You can use the filter option to search and find a group of specific passengers in a quick way. Click on the filter button. As you can see, there are different filtering options to search for passengers. The first option is checked in by me. This option is used to filter passengers who are already checked in under your username. You can select the checked option to read out the checked in passengers of this flight. Select the boarded option to read out the boarded passengers of this flight. Select the dechecked option to see the dechecked passengers in this flight. Select the reserved option to find passengers who have reserved a seat in this flight. Select the online check-in option to read out the passengers who have checked in online. Finally, select the kiosk option to see the passengers who have used the kiosk to check in. You can use the deleted button to filter the passengers who have been deleted from this flight. Use the INF button to show the infants aboard the flight. Use the JMP option to find out about passengers who have been assigned jump seats in respect to the flight's seat map. Click on the No Seat tab to view passengers who have not been assigned a seat. Use the Doco Docs button to filter the passengers based on the Doco Docs information, or vice versa, passengers who have no related Doco or Docs information. You can click on the Limited button in the Bag menu to filter passengers based on limited tags. Use the EMD Paid option to find out about passengers who have paid for their extra baggage. Use the EX button to reveal passengers who have excess baggage on the flight. Use the Special button to see passengers whose seats have been changed due to a registration change. Use the Added Packs button to observe passengers who are added to the flight. You can use the Added Packs button to filter passengers based on different conditions. Use the SSR button to show passengers who have been assigned a special service request in the flight. Use the Remark button to show passengers who have remarks. Use the Ticket button to illustrate passengers who have ticket numbers, or vice versa, to observe passengers who have no ticket number assigned to the flight. Thanks for watching.